So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Pixel OS official edition based on Android 14 for MI 11X Redmi K40 the Poco F3. So the prerequisites are you need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to stay on the latest version of MIUI, and then you need to have these two files in your internal storage, which is the firmware, latest firmware and the ROM itself. And you should also have TWRP pre-installed. And also you need to remove your Google accounts. You need to remove your MI account and you need to remove your password and security. This is to ensure avoiding problems with TWRP. And once all of them are done, you can power off your phone and head into recovery. Now head into wipe, advanced wipe, and clear the dial we cannot cache. Once that is done, you can go back, go into install, and then you can install the firmware part first. Uncheck automatically reflash TWRP if it's checked. Now you can swipe to flash. Now go back, now select the ROM, and now check automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM, and then swipe to flash. It's gonna take a while. So once the flashing is done, you can check if the recovery is flashed properly, and then you can ignore the fail to mount errors. Now you can head back and click on reboot and then click on recovery. Now once the recovery is opened, you can head into wipe, format data, and then type in yes. So once the format data is successful, you can click reboot to system. So the ROM is booted. Let me just do a quick setup. The ROM looks pretty good. The ROM comes with G apps, and now let me just put it to 120 Hz. I'm gonna head into about phone, and then the Android version is 14. If you long press it, that's gonna go faster. So the latest security update is November 1st, and the kernel they're using is Nexus Alloyant. This one comes with my stock camera. This is how the camera app looks like. It's the MI stock camera. Under the video we have till 4K 60 FPS. Now let's head into the settings and go to the sound and vibration. In this we have the media volume, call volume. We can customize all these options here. We have live caption. So I need to update my software to enable this. Let me just do that. And also the 5G is here. 5G is working on this ROM. Under notifications, we have app notifications. We can enable and disable notifications for certain apps, particular apps. We also have the notification history. We can turn on the bubble notifications. You also have flash notifications, wireless emergency alerts, and you can hide the notification bar you can hide silent notifications in the notification bar. And we can also allow notification snoozing. Under battery, we have thermal profiles. We can set a profile for each and every app. It's going to be balanced, performance, or we have all these options here. You can do it for every app. You can enable charging control. It can be custom charging, limit charging, or automatic schedule. Limit charging is gonna give longevity to your battery. This is kernel profiles. Automatically switch to battery mode when device screen turns off, and back to default profile when screen turns on. You can set mode, battery, balanced, or performance. When your battery comes down, it's automatically gonna go to none. Under sound and vibration, we have the MI sound enhancer. Under display, we have adaptive brightness, lock screen. We have the dark theme icon manager. I can choose what stays in the notification bar. I can turn it on here. I can turn on headsets. I can keep WhatsApp hotspot and remove it. Wi-Fi, mobile data, as you can see here. You can force peak refresh rate. So even if your phone is on battery, most of the ROMs give you 60 Hz when the when the phone is heating or your battery is low. But force peak refresh rate is always going to keep it at 120. That might drain your battery. You also have ambient display. This one is the G Apps edition. We have all the Google apps installed. We also have the widgets. We have the battery widgets. We can choose what widgets we need. For calendar, we got 2 widgets here. And for Chrome, we have you can play the Chrome's Dino game. Not here, you need to go inside Chrome for that. We have weather widgets. We have many more widget options in this ROM. So that is it for this video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.